In a world in which software is so important and crucial to achieve efficiency gains, what solutions can you offer?
So we can offer MRP, ERP software. So again, literally we'll run a customer's business. So from the initial inquiry to quote, right the way through to purchasing, creating the routings, recording the quality, creating the delivery notes, and finally the invoices.
And in regards to production software, how has this evolved and what new products and solutions do you have available?
So going with our production software offering, we have many offerings. So we have EdgeCam for production machining. We have the new acquisition of Esprit, which was about a year ago. So now we're able to offer a market-leading solution for sliding heads now, which previously we weren't able to offer. We have Visi, which is aimed at the tool maker, so injection molding and press tools. So with WorkNC, which works hand in hand with Visi. So WorkNC is our high-end machining software, 3, 4 and 5 axis technology. It's using all the latest technology, so there's a lot of talk about barrel cutters, lens cutters, things like that. WorkNC's got all the capability of that. A new module in there is called Advanced Tool Form. So any tool form that a manufacturer comes up with, we can now program a toolpath, which again is giving customers great gains with reducing down the finishing time on big parts. And again, we also have an NC Simul, which is our G-code verification and simulation software. So once the customer's created the code, they can then put it into a digital twin that we create of their machine. We download the macros, all the subroutines into their digital twin. They can prove it out on their PC to make sure that they're producing the correct part, there's no crashes and obviously causing expensive crashes and downtime.
So it's not just CAM software that you offer, it's collision avoidance software too?
Yes, so we can offer that right the way from the start, through to the CAD, through to the CAM, G-code verification, simulation, and again we also can do on-machine inspection with EdgeCam Inspect.
It's safe to say that it's very in line with this event. You have an end-to-end software solution for all applications, from what I can gather.
Yes, that's very true. So right from the initial thought process or inquiry, right the way through to the end, to the finished part, and again, we can feed that back to linking to Hexagon metrology devices, so the Rome Absolute Arm, we link to that for reverse engineering. We can also feed back to the CMM as well. So yeah, giving customer total from end-to-end solution.